If you're not a PHP programmer, it can be tricky to modify Drupal to fit your needs. And it's also difficult to know exactly where to start when you're ready to learn. Well, welcome to PHP Programming Basics. In this collection, we're going to gently introduce you to some of the most important concepts in PHP and programming in general. And by the end of these videos, you'll have all of the tools that you need to both make minor adjustments to Drupal and also build rich, original applications on top of the Drupal framework. For this video series, you don't need to know anything about programming. We're going to start at the very beginning. And if you are starting from scratch, this is going to be a lot of fun. While you can certainly use this series to learn how to do things like adjust a template file in Drupal or modify a form, the videos are designed to give you the tools you need to become a skillful PHP programmer. Being able to write your own code is powerful, and you can automate tasks that take a long time to complete manually. You can build tools that other people can use to solve a variety of problems, and there's a lot of other applications. Career-wise, programming experience is a valuable skill, and it's one of those skills that can be enjoyable to build. Throughout these videos, we're going to work our way up from the basic concepts of variables and control structures. It's okay if you don't know what those mean yet, up through using MySQL databases to store and retrieve data and advanced application architecture. Along the way, we're going to be working with some progressively more complicated but practical examples, and we'll take the time to walk through each step carefully and explain exactly what's going on and why. Our examples will evolve as we learn about new tools, so you'll see some fairly simple scripts grow naturally into more robust applications. For the last part of the series, we'll begin building our own content management system, which is a great way to both apply the lessons that we've learned throughout the series while simultaneously getting a better understanding of why Drupal is architectured the way it is. Many experienced programmers choose Drupal after building their own CMS, and it puts them in a great position to appreciate Drupal's many strengths, so we're going to copy that process. This series is designed to be a bridge for Drupal site builders who want to make the leap into Drupal development, but the examples we use stand alone and don't require Drupal directly. This allows the examples to be clear and to the point. The order of topics that we cover make a lot of sense from a practical perspective. If you've found yourself frustrated working with code in Drupal, even the first videos will begin to make things more clear. And as you progress through the series, more and more of Drupal will begin to open up as your PHP vocabulary grows. I suspect that you'll find that learning how to program will be incredibly empowering, both for Drupal and other PHP-based projects. Again, I'm very excited for you, and I hope you have a great time with this series. Good luck!